Welcome to globalweather.net. This is the statewide weather report for Texas, based on the latest National Weather Service Office discussions, issued Friday, June 12, 2026 at 2:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brief summary. Texas remains hot and humid in many areas with scattered to widespread thunderstorms shaping the weekend. The Panhandle faces isolated severe storms and localized flooding potential. South Texas and the coast see increasing tropical moisture and heavy rain threats Sunday through Tuesday. Heat builds inland with triple-digit highs returning midweek. Now for the extended report. Today, June 12, 2026, you'll notice heat and humidity are the main players across the state, but the details vary by region. Let's go region by region and then tie it together for the state. Panhandle and North Texas. In the Texas Panhandle, the atmosphere remains moist and unstable. The day looks to keep a low chance for severe thunderstorms, but storms that do form could bring large hail, damaging winds, and even tornadoes, especially this afternoon into tonight. A trigger is tricky, but an outflow boundary from Oklahoma could spark activity, with a greater threat late today into tonight as storms organize. Locally heavy rainfall is possible, raising flash flood concerns where storms train. Saturday, heat rises into the 90s and 100s with humid conditions, and a cold front may spark additional storms later Saturday. By Sunday and into next week, much of the Panhandle can expect hot conditions returning to triple digits. Dallas, Fort Worth area. Across North Texas today, scattered showers and storms ride along an outflow boundary. It will stay hot and humid Saturday, with heat indices around 100 to 105 degrees in the Metroplex. Sunday into Monday brings more widespread showers and thunderstorms, with heavy rainfall the main threat. West and Permian Basin, El Paso, Midland/Odessa, San Angelo tonight into Saturday, isolated to scattered storms are possible, mainly in higher terrain and western zones. Sunday looks like the better day for widespread showers in the far west, with a noticeable cool down, but temperatures surge again late next week as hotter air returns. Some locations could flirt with their first 100-degree day of the season by the end of next week. South Texas and the coast, Corpus Christi, Brownsville, Houston area deep tropical moisture is increasing. From Saturday onward, showers and thunderstorms become more widespread, with 70 to 80% rain chances Monday and Tuesday in deep South Texas. A moderate to high risk of rip currents will develop at beaches, and there's potential for minor coastal flooding. Heat risk remains elevated with temperatures climbing into the 90s inland and high heat indices near 100 or more. El Paso and far west. Sunday will be the region's best chance for widespread rain, followed by relief in the weekend, but triple-digit heat returns midweek. Coast and Gulf, Galveston, Houston, Corpus Christi rip currents and heat safety remain priorities. Expect heat indices in the mid to upper 90s to around 100 plus through the weekend, with the potential for heavy rainfall Sunday night through Tuesday as a frontal boundary interacts with rich tropical moisture. Safety notes. If you encounter flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. Beachgoers should monitor rip current advisories. Stay hydrated and seek shade or air conditioning during peak heat hours. In summary, Texas stays hot and humid, with scattered storms shaping the weekend. The Panhandle carries a lower but real severe weather threat and localized flooding potential. Deep South Texas and the coast watch increasing rainfall and coastal hazards Sunday through Tuesday. Inland portions see rising heat, with triple-digit highs returning by midweek. Check your local forecast for timing in your area as this pattern evolves.